Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the continuity. First of all, definition. A function f of x is said to be continuous at a point x is equals to a of its domain. Dear students, do you know about the domain? Let us consider one example. Let f is defined from a to b. Then a is called domain and b is called codomain of the function. So, this is the way to understand the domain. If and only if limit x tends to a on f of x is equals to f of a, which belongs to set of real numbers. Or in other words, if function is continuous at x is equals to a, it means limit x tends to a negative on f of x means what we are doing? We are calculating the left hand limit at x less than a is equals to limit x tends to a positive on f of x. It means what we are doing? We are calculating the right hand limit at x greater than a should be equals to f of a. It means we are calculating the value of function at the point that is x is equals to a, and this all three should be equal and belongs to the set of real number. Then only we can say the function is continuous. Now, discontinuity of the function. So, for any function f of x at any point x is equals to a, if we want to discuss about the discontinuity, then the following ways we can understand. First, limit x tends to a negative on f of x means we are calculating here left hand limit should be equals to right hand limit should be equals to at the point value of the function at the point, but this does not belongs to what? Set of real numbers. It means you can say left hand limit, right hand limit and the value of the function at the point, all three are equal, but they don't have the real answer, therefore they does not belongs to the set of real number. In this case also you can say function become discontinuous. Second, left hand limit, right hand limit are not equal to each other and the value of function is equals to right hand limit, then also you can say function is discontinuous. Left hand limit is equals to right hand limit does not equals to the f of a, and another way left hand limit, right hand limit and the value of function all three are not equal to each other, then also you can say the function become discontinuous at the x is equals to a. Dear students, now the another part in this topic is what? Algebra of continuous function. If f and g are real functions and continuous at x is equals to a, then the sum of two functions or difference of two functions both will remain continuous at x is equals to a. Scalar product. Do you know the scalar product? So alpha, lambda, k, this all are what? Scalar quantities. And this scalar quantities we are going to multiply with the functions. So let us consider alpha f or lambda f or kg. This will also remain continuous at x is equals to a. Okay. And this alpha, lambda, k all belongs to real numbers. The product of two functions also remain continuous function at x equals to a. Reciprocal of function is also continuous at x equals to a. For we have to take care of the denominator that the f of a should not be equals to 0. Now f upon g is continuous function at x equals to a, and again the value of g of x at x equals to a should not equals to 0. Now the important thing is how to examine or test the continuity of any function f of x at the point x equals to a. So dear students, I am going to discuss here first number line. Let us consider the x is equals to a is lying here. So when I take the x less than a means I am going in the left hand side, and when I take the x greater than a means I am going in the right hand side. So here we have to calculate the left hand limit. So you know that the left hand limit is calculated by this way also. Limit x tends to a negative on f of x, and it can express by limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h, and this is the way to calculate the value of function at x equals to a. So it is f of a, and next is right hand limit. So it can express this way: limit x tends to a positive on f of x, and further it can express by limit h tends to 0 on f of a plus h, and this all three results should be equal and belongs to the real numbers. So this is the way to understand the continuity, and now I am going to discuss some problems in next video.